softly gleam. The elves tiptoe quietly, as if in a dream. Wooden trains whistle and dolls start to sway in the magical toy shop at the end of the day. Tiny hands paint each bright shining toy, filling the shelves with laughter and joy. Music boxes twirl with a delicate sound as the elves hum a tune that spins all around. Giggling softly, they polish the bears, tie ribbons in bows and comb tiny hairs. The toys all sparkle, all shiny and new, waiting for children with hearts kind and true.
Goes the ground with a trumpet held in a strong hand. He squints his ears, he squeezes his side. The jungle friends are marching in pride. Parrots cheer from the tallest tree. Monkeys dance and clap with glee. Lions roar a royal beat. Zebras tap their straight feet. The jungle shakes beneath their feet as drums and laughs and trumpets meet. Each step a rhythm bold and bright in Mr. Elephant's parade of delight. Shaking hooves, he moonwalked past a sleepy cat. Did the splits, imagine that. He twirled around a pile of hay, then breakdanced all the cows away. With disco lights above his head, he danced on top of Farmer's shed. The chickens clapped, the pig said, "Whoa!" That groovy donkey stole the show. To the zoo we found, round and round the children cheer. Look at the animals, we're finally here. Sing, sing, clap along, zoo they fun with a happy song. Roar and chirp, moo and neigh, sing time joy all the way. Monkeys on the bus go chatter, chatter, chatter. Giraffes peek in to see what's the matter. The lions give a mighty roar, roar, roar. The kids all laugh and shout for more. Sing, sing, clap along, soon they fun with a happy song. Roar and chirp, moo and neigh, sing time joy all the way. Elephants trumpet trunks up high, zebras prance as the bus rolls by. Parrots squawk in colors bright, the zoo is filled with pure delight. The wheels on the bus go round once more, heading home from the zoo we adore. Memories made, oh what a day. Zoo time songs along the way. Sing, sing, clap along. Zoo day fun with a happy song. Roar and chirp, moo and neigh. Zoo time joy all the way.
Sing along with kids.
Wiggle waggle goes the tail. Happy pup on cradle, playful trail. Nose to the ground, the ears held high. Sniffing stories as we pass by. Wag your tail, dance and spin. Happy paws and a joyful grin. Wiggle waggle all day long. Sing with the pup a cheerful song. Sunshine warms his spotted back. He zooms and zips along the track. Chasing butterflies, leaping free. Tongue out wide, pure puppy glee. Wag your tail, dance and spin. Happy paws and a joyful grin. Wiggle waggle all day long. Sing with the pup a cheerful song. When the rain begins to fall, he splashes puddles, loves them all. Shakes his fur and gives a shake. Wiggle waggle, watch him make. Wiggle waggle, cuddle now. Puppy settles, soft and howl. Dreams of parks and playful trails. Wiggle waggle, cuddle now. Puppy settles, soft and howl. Dreams of parks and playful trails.
Sing along with kids.
Six little kittens jumping in the pool. One slipped off and dropped her cool. Mama called the doctor, what did he say? No more kittens jumping all day. Five little kittens splashing in the pool. One did a flip and broke the rule. Mama called the doctor, what did he say? No more kittens jumping all day. Four little kittens floating on a mat. One got scared and ran to the cat. Mama called the doctor, what did he say? No more kittens jumping all day. Three little kittens swimming all around. One got dizzy and nearly drowned. Mama called the doctor, what did he say? No more kittens jumping all day. Kittens chasing a wave. One got lost in a bubbly cave. Mama called the doctor, what did he say? No more kittens jumping all day. One little kitten paddling with pride slipped on a noodle and took a slide. Mama called the doctor, what did he say? No more kittens jumping all day. No.
Sing along with kids.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle,